Hello everyone. Today in this video I will explain you exercise number 430. So in this exercise you will learn how to multiply the given rational numbers. So question number first. Heading of the question is multiply. In some questions you will get that find the product. So product also means same, product means multiply. So sometimes in the exam you will get the question like this, that find the product. So in such questions what you have to do, you have to multiply. So multiply another name is product. So part number first question, first part, 2 upon 3 we have to multiply by 5 upon 7. So first step what we have to do, we have to check whether in the numerator and denominator numbers are cancelling with the same table or not. As here it is written 2. 2 is coming in a table of 2 only. So in the denominator also we will check whether any number in the denominator is divisible by 2 or not. So here it is 3 and here it is 7. Both are not coming in a table of 2. So now another number in the numerator is 5. This 5 is coming in a table of 5 only. So now in the denominator also you will check whether any number is divisible by 5 or not. 3 is not divisible by 5. 7 is also not divisible by 5. So here no number is getting cancelled with the same table. So what we will do, we will simply multiply. 5 into 2 will be 10. 3 into 7 will be 21. So this is your final answer of this part number first. Now see another part number 4. We have to multiply minus 9 upon 25 by minus 20 upon 21. So here with the multiply sign, minus sign is also coming. That's why we have to use here one bracket, because two mathematical signs are coming together. So in order to separate these two signs, we have to use here bracket. Now next thing is, we have to check whether numerator and denominator number are cancelling with the same table or not. As we will check here, this 9 is coming in a table of 3, but in the denominator 25 is not coming, and if you will see this denominator number 21, this is coming in a table of 3. So numerator number is 9, which is divisible by 3, and denominator number 21 is also divisible by 3. So one number in the numerator and another number in the denominator we will cancel with the same table. 3 3 are 9, but here in the 9 minus is there, so in the answer also we have to use minus sign. And this number also we will cut it with 3. 3 7 are 21. Now both the number we had cancelled with the table of 3. Now we will check these another numbers. These numbers are also coming in a same table, that is 5 table. 5 table, if we will read, we will get 20 also, and we will get 25 also. Since this numerator number we will cancel with the table of 5. 5 4 are 20, but here in this 20 minus sign is there, so we will use minus sign also. This number in the denominator also we will cut with the table of 5. So one number in the numerator we will cancel, and one number in the denominator we will cancel with the same table. This number we cancelled with the table of 5, so in the denominator also we will cancel with the table of 5. 5 5 are 25. Now we have to write the remaining numbers. After cutting this 9, remaining number is minus 3 upon remaining number in the denominator is 5, multiply minus 4 upon 7. So these are the remaining number. Now we will not be able to cancel these numbers with the same table, so we will simply multiply these number. Minus multiply minus, answer will be plus. 3 multiply 4 will be 12 upon 5 multiply 7 will be 35. So this is your final answer of part number 4. Now question number second. Second question heading is simplify. Simplify means whatever sign is given in between, you have to solve it and you have to write your final answer in a simplest form. So what you have to do, second question, second part. Two upon minus 7 multiply by 63 upon minus 100. Here double sign are coming, multiply and minus. So first of all we will use here one bracket. Now we will check the table. with a table of 2, this numerator number and this denominator number both will get cancelled with the same table, that is 2 table. 2 1 ja 2 and this one also 2 5 ja 10 and last 0 will come at last. In this number minus is there, so we will use minus also. Now if we will see this numerator number 63 and denominator number 7, both are coming in a table of 7, so we will cut these two number, 63 in the numerator and 7 in the denominator. Both number we will cancel with 7 table. 7 1 ja 7, 7 9 ja 63. But here if you will see minus sign is there in 7, so in the answer also we will use minus sign. Now we will write the remaining number 1 upon minus 1 multiply 9 upon minus 50. Multiply and minus are coming together, so we will use here one bracket. Now 1 multiply 9, numerator and numerator we have to multiply. 1 multiply 9 will be 9 upon denominator and denominator we will multiply and we will write the answer in denominator. So first of all we will multiply sign, minus minus plus. 1 multiply 50 is 50. No need to put this plus sign is not compulsory. So your final answer is 9 upon 50. So like this you have to do second part of this question number second. Now question number second, part number third. Part number third. 13 upon minus 6 multiply minus 51 upon minus 26. Double sign are coming, multiply minus, so we have to use bracket. And another thing which you will observe here is in the numerator also minus is coming, in the denominator also minus is coming. So in such case you have to cancel these minus sign. One sign in the denominator and one sign in the numerator. Both the sign we will cancel. Now with the same table we have to cancel, as these 13 and 26 are coming in the same table. 13 1 ja 13, ये numerator में कट करेंगे and in 26 we have to cut in the denominator. 13 2 ja 26. Now 6 and 51 if we will see, both number are coming in 3 table. 3 2 ja 6. In this 6 minus is there, so in the answer also we have to put minus. This 51 also we have to cancel with 3 table. This number is in the denominator, so denominator number we had cut it with a table of 3. Now this numerator number also we will cut it with table of 3. 3 2 ja 6. 6 is greater, so we will take 3 1 ja 3. Out of 5 we have taken 3. 3 1 ja 3. So remainder is 2. That remainder and next number is 1. So 2 and 1 will become 21. 3 7 ja 21. This minus sign we will not put here because this minus we had already cancelled. These two minus sign are cancelled, so we will not put it minus sign here. Now we will write the remaining numbers. Here remaining number is 1 upon minus 2 multiply 17 upon 2. Now no number is getting cancelled with the same table. No need to cut these two numbers with a 2 table because these two numbers are written in the denominator, and the rule is with the same table you have to cut one number in the numerator and another number in the denominator. But here these two numbers are written in the denominator only, so we will not cut it. Now we will multiply them. On multiplying them, 1 multiply 17, answer will be 17. Minus and plus will become minus. 2 multiply 2 will be 4. So whenever minus sign will come in the denominator, that minus sign you have to shift in the numerator. So we will shift this minus sign to the numerator. Our answer is minus 17 upon 4. So meaning will remain same. Meaning will not get affected. Whenever minus sign will be there in the denominator, then in that case what you will do, this minus you will put either in the 17, and one more choice is there, one more way is there to write it. We can put minus sign here also, middle. In the middle also we can put minus sign. So both the ways are correct. So this is your final answer of this second question, third part. Now see another question. Question number third. first part, sorry, this is part number fourth part, minus 12 upon 51 multiply minus 17. In the denominator nothing is given, so we will take here in the denominator 1. So whenever in the denominator no number will be written, then in that case in the denominator we will take 1. Now double sign are coming, multiply and minus, so we will use here bracket. Now with the table of 17, this numerator number and denominator number will get cancelled. 17 1 ja 17. In this 17 minus is there, so in the answer also we will take minus. 17 3 ja 51. Now this 3 is in the denominator and 12 is in the numerator. Both are coming in the same table. With a table of 3, we will cut these two numbers. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. When we will cut this 12 4 times, in this minus is there, so answer also we have to put minus sign. So now we will write the remaining numbers. Minus 4 upon 1 multiply minus 1 upon 1 bracket we will use. Now minus multiply minus will become plus. 4 1 ja 4 upon 1 multiply 1 is 1, and 4 divided by 1 answer will be 4 only. So this is your final answer of this part number 4. Now see another part number 6. Minus 8 upon minus 25 multiply 20. In the denominator no number is given here, so we will take 1. Now in the numerator and denominator minus sign are coming, so we will cut these minus sign. 20 and 25 both are coming in a table of 5. This 20 is written in the numerator, we will cut it. 5 4 ja 20. This is in the denominator. 5 5 ja 25. Now what we will do, we will multiply these number because we will not be able to cancel further. So we will multiply 8 upon 5 multiply 4 upon 1. Now 8 into 4 when we will do 32. 5 into 1 when we will do, answer will be 5. So final answer is 32 upon 5. So like this you have to do question number 3rd, part number 6. Now all of us see question number 4th, first part number 2nd. 4th question, second part. Minus 4 upon 15 multiply minus 6 upon 7 multiply 35 upon 12. So this is a question. Multiply and minus double sign are coming, so we will use here one bracket. Now with the same table we have to cancel, as I had explained you in the previous questions. This 35 is divisible by 5. This is in the numerator, so another number we have to cut in the denominator. This is the denominator number which is divisible by 5. So 5 3 ja 15, 5 7 ja 35. Now this 7 in the numerator and 7 in the denominator will cancel. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. 4 and 12. 4 is in the numerator, 12 is in the denominator. So we will cut it. 4 1 ja 4, minus is there, so in the answer also we will write minus sign. 4 3 ja 12. Now this is minus 1 upon 3 multiply minus 6 upon 1 multiply 1 upon 3. Here we can cancel again. If you will observe, this 3 and 6 both are coming in a table of 3. This 3 is in the denominator and 6 is in the numerator. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, minus we will use here because of this minus sign. We will put in the answer also minus. Now minus multiply minus, answer will be plus. So in the answer we will use plus sign, and the plus sign is not compulsory to use. If you will not use plus sign, then also your answer will be correct. So 1 multiply 2, 1 2 ja 2. 2 into 1 will be 2 upon 1 multiply 1, answer will be 1. Denominator number we have to multiply. 1 1 ja 1. 1 into 3 will be 3. So final answer is 2 upon 3. Now see another part number 3rd. Minus 7 upon 12 multiply minus 88 upon 21 multiply minus 18 upon 11. Double sign are coming, we will use bracket. Here also we have to use bracket. 11 and 88 both are coming in a table of 11. This 11 in the denominator we will cut, 11 1 ja 11. This 88 we will cut in the numerator, 11 8 ja 88, minus also we will use. Now 7 and 21 also, 7 in the numerator and 21 in the denominator. 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. In this 7 minus is there, so we will put here minus sign also. Now this 12 in the denominator and this 18 in the numerator, both are coming in a 6 table. These two are coming in a table of 3 also, these two are coming in a table of 2 also, and these are coming in a table of 6 also. So it's better you cut with the greater number. Greater number table we will take. 6 2 ja 12, in the denominator we had cut it. Now this numerator number we will cut with the table of 6. 6 3 ja 18, minus is there, so we will put here minus sign. Now again this 2 3 we can cancel. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, here minus is there, so we will put minus sign also. Now remaining number is minus 1 upon 2, multiply minus 8 upon 1 in the bracket, multiply minus 1 upon 1. So here in this question you will observe minus sign is coming 3 times. Minus, multiply, minus, multiply, minus. So whenever odd number of minus sign will be there, how many times minus is coming? 3. 3 times minus is coming, and 3 is the odd number. So in such case, in the answer we will put minus sign. If odd will not be there, even number of signs, minus sign will be there. Suppose in place of minus 3 minus, if in place of 3 minus 4 minus sign will be there. 4 is the even number, so in that case we will not put minus sign, we will put plus sign. So you have to remember, first of all you will count how many times minus sign is coming. If even number of minus sign are there, then in the answer we have to use plus. If odd numbers of minus sign will be there, then we have to put minus sign. Now numerator we will multiply. 1 8 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. Again we will cancel these two. 2 4 ja 8. So final answer is minus 4 upon 1. So minus 4 upon 1 is your final answer. When we will divide this 4 with 1, answer will be 4 only. So your answer is minus 4. Now see another question. Question number 5. Fifth question. Question number 5th. Find the cost of 7 whole 1 upon 2 meter of cloth at rupees 80 whole 4 upon 5 per meter. Per meter means 1 meter cost is given. Cost of 1 meter cloth is given in the question. Per meter cloth cost is 80 whole 4 upon 5. When we will change in the improper fraction, then our answer will be 8 5 ja 40, and this last 0 will also come. 400 plus 4 will be 404 upon 5. So this much rupees is the cost of 1 meter cloth, and we have to find the cost of 7 whole 1 upon 2 meter cloth. So we have to write cost of 7 whole 1 upon 2 meter cloth. So earlier cloth was only 1 meter. Now cloth is more. So whenever we will purchase more cloth, more items when we will purchase, then we have to pay more money. So for more, what we will do? We will multiply 404 upon 5, multiply with how much cloth we are purchasing. 7 whole 1 upon 2. Now this 7 whole 1 upon 2 we will change it. 7 2 ja 14 and 1 15. 5 1 ja 5. 5 3 ja 15. Both numbers we had cut with the table of 5. 2 and 404 also. 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 0 ja 0. 2 2 ja 4. So our final answer is coming here 202 upon 1 into 3 upon 1. When we will multiply it, our answer will be 606 rupees. So this is your final answer of question number 5th. Now question number 6th. A shirt require 2 whole 1/4 meter of cloth. A shirt, A means one shirt. So cloth required for one shirt. Cloth required to make one shirt is given in the question. How much cloth is required to make one shirt? 2 whole 1/4 meter. When we will change it in the improper, we will get 9/4 meter. So this much cloth is required for one shirt. After that it is written find the cloth required for 16 shirt. So we will write cloth required for 16 shirts. So number of shirts are more now. So in order to stitch more shirts, we need more cloth. So for more, what we will do? We will multiply 9/4 multiply with 16. In this 16, in the denominator nothing is given, so we will take 1. 4 4 is 16. Now 9 into 4 will be 36. So your final answer is 36 meter cloth. So like this you have to do this question number 6. So now this exercise is over. You all have to finish this exercise in your fair notebook.